Good day, ladies and gents. Time to move on to a different location, heading towards Bisacarn. There's always time to stop and see camels while driving through the desert, as it's a unique sighting for us Europeans.
Come here, don't be running off on me. How's it going, buddy? You okay? He's a lovely camel, he is. He's good, he's good. He's a good boy. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a camel for the wedding, yeah? Yeah.
Bisacarn is where we will be staying for 3 nights with Nuruddin's family. Today we went and visited his aunt and had one of many meals we'll be having during this trip.
We meet again.
Welcome to Manchester.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
Oh, vous avez une belle.
Hi. Assalamu alaikum. Family gathering for the supper. Oh my god. Look at that. Very nice.
But it's the neck, this side of the neck.
We walked around the neighbourhood and it definitely felt that we were the only tourists in town. I find this is experiencing the real Morocco.
So we're going to your other family's house, yeah? For a big feast. That's the hospitality. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. This is the next house. Ah, there, look. Ah! What's going on? Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. What did he say? Ma ismuk. Ma ismuk. Mohammed. Glen. Oh, the little guys. Anybody speak English? No? Any English? No? Yeah, speak English? English? French? Someone else speak French? Francais? Alhamdulillah. No. Okay.
It's really the village in the middle of nowhere. There's nobody. They haven't seen any tourists.
You haven't seen any tourists at all.
No.
It's funny. We're just going for a random walk while they prepare the food.
On a marié. Je suis Allemande et il est irlandais. C'est ton mari? No. C'est bien.
No
You're
Francais.
my husband.
Oh no.
No.
We don't get married. My girlfriend.
Merci. Au revoir.
My girlfriend. Husband, yeah. Bonjour, ça va? All the mad kids in the neighbourhood. They're all funny. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, assalamu alaikum. Hi.
Following us, there might see there are security now.
Security. Security. Assalamu alaikum. All good. Having lots of fun there.
C'est la première fois que je parle avec des gens et des étrangers.
En Allemagne, tu connais Munich? C'est dans la sud.
Ah oui, je parle.
Oui. Et toi, tu habites ici?
Oui. Au Maroc, on a beaucoup de plats nationaux comme le couscous.
Oui. J'ai essayé tout.
What's he saying?
Nous avons voyagé pour 3 mois. Et qu'est-ce que tu vas faire quand tu grandis?
Ma métier, je voudrais être un docteur en France.
Un docteur
En France.
Très bien.
Oh wow. Must be a doctor.
Très bien. No.
No Francais, no.
English.
Only English, yeah.
English.
Yeah. Just English, man, yeah. A little bit.
It was really a great experience walking to the village and talking to the kid, especially this one kid that had the courage to come up to us, and he talked to us when all the other kids were standing around and were laughing and having fun.
One of Nuruddin's family members had a pre-wedding ceremony, and we also dressed up to be part of this special event.
Glen, you get married to who?
Getting married to a Moroccan lady, sorry, madam. They get me a wife and a camel.
We enjoyed the night with some Berber music. It's amazing to experience the happiness and joyful event with a Moroccan family.
Madeleine, we're getting married. Like your outfit. It's nice, suits you.
Make sure you check out the next video where we head on a road trip and visit some beautiful places and see the real Morocco.
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe for future content.